Welcome to Kids Draw Gallery. Today we are going to draw a pumpkin, so let's get started. First, we will draw an oval. Yes, just like that. Draw an oval in the center. Well done. Now draw two curved lines on its back right side. One and then two. Now draw two curved lines on its left side. Very good. Now we will draw its stem. Well done. Our pumpkin is ready. Now it's time to color it. So let's start it. We will color the pumpkin with orange color. Very good. Don't let the color get out of the line. Well done. Yeah, keep doing, keep going. You are coloring so beautiful. We are almost done with orange color. Amazing, so beautiful. Now let's color its stem with green color. Hey, our pumpkin is ready. This is looking so beautiful. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed drawing with us today. If you had fun, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy drawing tutorials. Let us know in the comments what drawings you would like to see next. And don't forget to share your artwork or tag us on social media. Keep practicing and we'll see you in the next video. Happy drawing!